Kiran Kumar tests positive for virus. The whole world is currently going through a very tough time because of the contagious virus. This is a very hard time for the Bollywood industry too, as all the shootings are already closed. And amidst this tough time in the Tinsel town, a very heartbreaking news has recently come forward that left everyone shocked. Looks like the deadly virus is not even sparing the celebrities of the B-town. Recently, the news has come forward that the veteran Bollywood actor Kiran Kumar has tested positive for the contagious virus. Let us find out in the video that what has happened and how is the actor doing right now. Veteran Bollywood actor Kiran Kumar has starred in many popular TV shows and popular movies. The actor is currently 74 years old, and as per the reports, the actor went to nearby nursing home for his routine health checkup. The actor has revealed to Leading Daily that he just went for routine checkup, but the test for the fatal virus was necessary there, which is why the actor opted for the test at the hospital, and later the results came and it shocked everybody. It turned out that the actor was infected with the virus already, as his test result was positive. Kiran Kumar still could not believe it, as he never felt anything unusual with his health recently. The actor has said in his statement that he was asymptomatic and he was not suffering from any illness. Kiran Kumar has added that recently he never had cough or high fever and he was totally fine. He has also added that even after the results came out, the actor is totally fine and is doing alright. Kiran Kumar has already self-quarantined himself at his home and he is still asymptomatic. The actor will be tested frequently, and the next date of his second test is within the 12 days of his first test date. Though the actor is asymptomatic, the actors are a little bit bothered currently, as per reports. The doctors are anxious because the actor is currently 74 years old and his immunity power is not great. So, the health condition of the veteran actor Kiran Kumar has left the doctors in great worry. It is not the first time that the fatal virus has attacked the B-town. Before this actor, popular Bollywood singer Kanika Kapoor was infected with it too, but she is currently out of the danger. Later, Hrithik Roshan, Varun Dhawan and Janhvi Kapoor's closed ones also got infected with the virus. We wish the speedy recovery of our beloved veteran actor Kiran Kumar, who has given us great movies. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.